You have an important thing to do on your laptop, and your laptop behaves like a snail. You open Task Manager to find out that your hard disk is used up to 100%. You might think to yourself, am I being hacked? Or is this some malware or some virus? You think about buying a laptop, but wait, there's a fix for that. Hey guys, this is AMRS and welcome to my video. Many of us have experienced this, and you think to yourself, am I being hacked or there's a virus on my laptop? For most cases, it's a no. It's just simply your slow hard drive. Most laptops nowadays have SSDs instead of hard drives, but a lot of people still use laptops with hard drives. What are hard drives, you ask? Well, in short, they are storage devices used to store your files on a spinning magnetic disk and a header to read and write the files onto the magnetic disk. So your files are scattered all over the disk platter and the header has to work faster to read the files. This is called fragmentation, and to solve this, we defragment the drive occasionally, which is time consuming. So what's the solution? It's simply to find a better storage option. Enter SSDs or solid state drives which use flash storage. SSDs run silently, reads and writes data quicker, are resistant to shocks, and also consume less energy. Hard drives are way cheaper and can be used for high cheap storage options, but that's a topic for another video. To decide what type of SSD you'll need to look inside. One way is to have a professional help, or like me, just try to do it yourself. Watching disassembly videos of your laptop model will help you too. SSDs can range in price as low as 2000 rupees to 30,000 rupees depending on type and storage options. But honestly, any SSD is better than a hard drive. So you could get mainly two types of SSDs nowadays. The one with a SATA connection, the one I am going to install, or an NVMe SSD. Almost all SSD brands come with their own cloning software, and you will need to install the respective software on your laptop. As I am using Samsung SSD, I am going to install the Samsung Magician software. You will need either a USB to SATA cable or a hard drive enclosure to clone your hard drive to the new SSD. Now plug in your SSD to your computer and use your SSD specific cloning software. The steps for using the software will be clearly specified by the manufacturer. You will need a precision screwdriver and tweezers for picking up tiny screws. Precision screwdrivers can be bought for cheap on Amazon or any hardware stores near you. Now on to the fun part, disassembly. My laptop has easy access to hard drive with removal of just 2 screws, and most old laptops have hard drives that can be accessed by removing a few screws at the back. Disconnecting the battery is the first thing to do once you are in. This is to avoid shorting out anything. Disconnect the hard drive SATA cable. Going to the motherboard, there are 4 screws holding the hard drive bracket to the laptop case. Remove them and gently lift it from the laptop casing. The bracket on either side of the hard drive must be transferred onto the SSD and also transfer the SATA cable to the new SSD. And with the power of editing, these brackets are transferred. Now place the SSD in the place of the hard drive and connect it to the motherboard. Then tighten all the screws holding the bracket. Don't over tighten them though. Now place the battery back in its place and close the lid and tighten the screws. That's it, guys. Feel free to subscribe if you like watching these videos.